I would say post-viral stuff, the things that I'm doing right now and I recommend people do in general are going to be adaptogens, and I like medicinal mushrooms. So shiitake, maitake, reishi. Reishi is great. I love it because it does help deactivate viruses. It does build up and support the natural killer immune cells. So I do like that. Any type of like ginseng, ashwagandha, these are things that help support energy production, support the adrenals, help buffer the HPA axis. So any of these type of things are going to be helpful too.
You need to get on some lion's mane too for your taste, because what I'm finding is that the nerves are damaged and that's affecting the sinus. So the sense of smell, the sense of taste, some of that is related to nerve damage. So I would probably hit lion's mane, maybe like 2 caps twice a day. That's been helpful to restore the sense of smell and taste in some people.
It's
And
probably not damage. It's probably just more inflammation, right?
well, the long-term stuff, I'm talking
If
people
it's
that,
long term.
yeah, I'm talking people that, 6 to 8 months later say, I still can't taste or smell right. We're
Yeah.
bringing in lion's mane, like 2 caps twice a day. It takes a few months, but, it does increase nerve growth factor. And so I think that's the
Yeah.
mechanism.
That's interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
I do have some lion's mane. I'll definitely add that in. I mean, I think medicinal mushrooms are going to be really good to be on top of just supporting your immune system and like helping with the body regenerate and heal better.
Yeah. Gabe was asking a question in the live chat on YouTube. How did you guys catch it? I don't know. I mean, I work from home. I've got a home office. Justin has a home office as well. I do go out. Uh, so
Personally, it's the new variant. The new variant has an R naught of 7, which is that's equal to measles. So the Delta variant had an R naught of 2 or 3. So that means for every one person that gets it, it can be passed to 2 to 3 on average, right? The new Omicron variant, it's 7. So you can literally pass it to 7 people. So I think my wife was in a yoga class with 3 people, and they were like spread out across a room. Like they were like way, spaced apart, for just all the safety reasons, and it was still able to get it. So my whole take on Omicron, it's very, I think the symptoms are more mild than Delta for sure. That's what everything's been reported, but it's way more contagious. Everyone's going to get it at this point. You just got to have your plan and be ready ahead of time, right? People don't have a plan, and then when they get it, then they get stuck and they feel like they have to go to the hospital, and you don't have as many options there. So try to have a outpatient plan ready to rock and roll. But yeah, you're going to get it because the R naught on this thing, right, is at 7, which is at a level close to measles. So it's right there. So if you haven't got it yet, you will. Anything else you want to highlight on the immune side, on the post-viral stuff? Obviously, I'm a big fan of ginger. I think ginger's nice because it's anti-inflammatory, antiviral, helps with lymphatic. So if you kind of like have a lot of like stagnant lymph in the chest area or in the neck, it really keeps the lymph moving. All that's very helpful.